Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix NEFF dishwasher not draining, filter, pump, hose and reset troubleshooting. To fix the NEFF dishwasher that is not draining, you must clear physical blockages from the filter, unclip the pump cover to free the impeller, check the waste hose for kinks and perform a control panel reset. Most drainage failures trigger an E25 error code or a flashing tab symbol on the display. Fix 1. Clear the main filter. Remove the racks. Pull out the lower basket to clear your workspace. Scoop out standing water. Use a sponge and a small cup to manually empty the stagnant water from the sump. Twist and lift. Then turn the cylindrical microfilter anti-clockwise and pull it straight up. Wash thoroughly. Rinse the mesh filter and the flat metal sieve under running water. Scrub away stubborn grease using a soft brush. Fix 2. Unblock the drain pump impeller. Unclip the pump cover. Look into the empty sump hole on the left or back side. You will see a small plastic white cover tab. Use the handle of a metal spoon to prise and pop this cover off. Extract debris. Carefully reach in or use needle nose pliers to feel for obstruction around the fan blades. Warning, watch out for hidden glass shards. Test the impeller. Flick the propeller blades with your finger. They should turn with a slightly magnetic clicky resistance. That is completely normal. Snap it back, then reinstall the white pump cover. This is crucial step. It must be audibly clicked firmly back into its notch. If this cover is left loose or missing, the machine will fail to build pressure and will not drain at all. Fix 3. Inspect the drain hose and sink connection. Check the under sink plumbing. If your dishwasher connects to a garbage disposal or sink siphon, ensure that connection is clear of sludge and fat buildup. Inspect the loop. Ensure the drain hose forms a high loop beneath the countertops. If it sags, gravity will cause grey water to backflow into the machine. Check for kinks. Pull the dishwasher out slightly and verify that the corrugated grey plastic hose is not crushed, bent, or twisted behind the machine. Fix 4. Reset the control panel. The soft reset. Open the dishwasher door, locate the start button, which features a reset 3-second label printed beneath it, and hold it out firmly for 3 to 5 seconds. Then close the door and listen for the drain pump to engage for roughly 1 minute to clear out the remaining cycle data. The hard reset. If the panel is completely unresponsive, turn off the power switch, unplug the unit from the wall socket or flip its breaker, and leave it isolated for 2 minutes before booting it back up. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.